Good morning, Mid-Missouri. I'm Maddie Morris, and here's a look at what's making the news this morning. If you live in Ward 5, you can head over to Columbia's Mill Creek Elementary School for a ward check-in tonight. From 7 to 9, Ward 5 residents can learn more about upcoming projects and developments, along with safety efforts and issues in the ward. The city manager, city staff, and department heads will also be there. Missouri's DNR and Columbia Public Schools are pairing up to help develop a nature school. Tonight from 6 to 8:30 in the District Administration Building, there will be an open house. The purpose is to get ideas from the public on creating a nature school in the district. Attendees will hear a brief overview of the current plans and will have a chance to provide input. And law enforcement from all over Missouri will gather in Jefferson City today to kick off the Law Enforcement Torch Run. A part of the event is Tip a Cop, where tips from participating restaurants will be donated to the group's charity of choice, Special Olympics Missouri. The event will run from 5:30 to 8:30. Thanks for watching. The Today Show will be right back.